So this right here is by far my favorite. Somebody definitely put in some work. Love the wheels, love how clean it is. Shout out to the driver inside the car. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Shayness, and I'm inside the car right now just because I feel like I've been saying this a lot, but like California just keeps on getting these weird heat waves. So if you're hearing the AC, forgive me, like it's just really hot. Right now it is 92 degrees. The inside of the car is a little bit at 80. So again, I'm trying to stay cool, but I'm here at a car meet a little, well, quite early, but I'm excited because this is not your typical car meet that I usually go to, like the Cars and Coffee. This is the first of its kind here in San Diego, I think. It's an Anime X Cars car meet, so we should see some interesting things at this one. Let's go. Got a cosplayer. Check this thing out. And appropriately, quite a few Disney stickers. Says hi. A lot of Disney theming going on. The Accords. Love this.
So far, no.
Now this is a sick build. Look at this Miata. How cool. So while walking around, I saw this, a little bit of KDM love. Nothing too drastic, nothing too crazy. Looks like a stock end. And just some wheels on the Gen Coupe. Not bad though, clean. What do you think?
I'm feeling blinded.
I don't know, plus 10 for defense. Look at these rear ends. Booty for days. Don't believe me? Look at this. How awesome. Let's see the fronts. Looking clean. And then some more Miata love. It looks like I just got caught between Miatas. Miata over here. Miata over here. Oh, that's super low. That's what I call static for sure. Look at this wildness. There's people literally queuing up to like try to look at stickers. Let's see what waifu wants to go check it out. Hey, look, we got a blue Type R rolling in. How cool. So this is the second Type R we see today. There was a white one. And everything's, I mean, I won't lie. I'm doing social distancing. I know it doesn't look so great, but for the most part, there's a handful of people that are at least like here keeping their distance, making sure everything's nice and safe. Just more stuff. Ooh, I like the parts. And the completely clear taillight. Crazy. A little bit of VIP style. So the car meet extended to the rest of the parking lot because of course it would. So I'm just kind of, walking by. More clean Miatas. Sun's going down, so things are kind of nice and cool. And we'll pretty much end it over here with the Civic with the yellow trimming. Looks actually really clean. I feel it. Looks nice. Right? You guys think? Anyways, let's go across the pond. I'm not gonna walk all the way back up, but we got a little bit of KDM love, so I guess I'll get over here. I could be wrong, but looks like a stock 2.0 turbo Jenny Coupe and a stock N. Do like the red. And then we got a Skyline. Okay. What do you guys think? Digging the green? Oh, look at that. See, I'm not the only one appreciating it. That booty though. So we're back on the side where that Tasha S2000 was, and we got a little bit of Honda love with an RSX. Gets broken up by the Infinity, but another Prelude, close and dear to my heart, an Accord, and an Integra. And look at those wheels over there. They just stand out, right? Well, crossing the street. Really nice wheels. For you guys. And we got another end. This one in blue. I dig the vanity plate though, blue Kirby. Hey, so I saw a car drive by, and I think I recognize this Bulba Run car. Who is this person? Is it? Dang. Suziata. Oh, I love it. So sick. There's just something charming about Miatas, especially when done right. Look at this thing. So cool. Oh man. So, funny thing, I was walking by this car that I was praising the wheels on earlier, but as I got closer, I realized how enormous these damn things are. Holy smacks. It's so sick though. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Shayness at home base. Just wanted to say real quick, I apologize. I didn't mean to have a vlog for this video, but as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, it's been insanely hot, so I just haven't really been able to work on the car. I really had a fun time at this event though. It was rather unique. It was nice to finally get out and kind of have a normal experience, so to speak. And apparently the event was a success because there's a second iteration of it happening in a few weeks, which I'm sure to visit. So if you guys liked what you saw, let me know. I'll probably share a little bit more in another vlog. Things are finally starting to cool off in California, so I should be getting back to working on the car. Crossing my fingers. But as always, guys, thanks for all the love and support. Please be safe, keep doing you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Damn, look at this beautiful black Veloster right here. JK, guys. As much as I love my car, all right, I'll give it a moment of attention. Check it out.